Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to our today's English vlog. In my Eid vacation, I have visited a date garden which is situated at Thakurgaon in Bangladesh. It is the largest date garden in the northern part of Bangladesh. So here you can see some stoves where the molasses are being prepared from the date juice. Here you can see it is one kind of stove. Okay, so there is a line from where the molasses or the date juicer just go to the another stove, and this is how the molasses are being prepared here. So the natural beauty of the garden is also very much beautiful. Especially here you can see the around view of this place, and especially there are around 1000 date trees, and the sky view of the garden is also great. I went there before the evening so that the natural view is great. And during the winter, many tourists come there and take the date juice. From the date juice, date molasses are prepared here. So overall, this is the view of our today's vlog.